Uh, hey, dude, your camera's on.
Okay, so in last class we did how to change a verb from mass form to dictionary form, nai form, and ta form. Okay, let me call a few random names, and I want you people to tell me the nai form of that particular. My first name is okay. I don't want to call you. Okay, fine. It's your choice. Just raise your hands. My first verb is skurimas. You have to tell me the group and the nai form.
Ma'am, it's Kurinai. Kuranai. Ranai.
Shayan.
Ma'am, I'm not speaking, ma'am.
Wait. You have to control na Shayan. I was about to call
नहीं
your name.
नहीं मैम, मैंने नहीं बोला, मैं नहीं था।
किसने बोला ये?
I don't know मैम, मैंने नहीं बोला
Ma'am,
मैम।
Summer, ma'am.
समर पढ़ाई करूंगी तुम्हारी अगली बार से.
Arey, ma'am, you said anyone can speak, so
No, I said to raise the hands. ठीक है? Okay,
sorry, ma'am.
anyways, it's fine. Acha guys, it's raining like dogs and cats here in my at my place. So please, there's a possibility that you will get like there would be a lag of my voice. So please bear with me today. ठीक है, कल रात से हो रही है, बहुत जोर से बारिश हो रही है और पॉसिबिलिटी है कि बीच बीच में मेरी आवाज ब्रेक हो, तो प्लीज थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल कर लेना. माय नेक्स्ट वर्ब इज kirimas, nai form of kirimas. Kirimas, and the one I would like to call is Ishita Sharma, please.
Ma'am, it is group 1, Kiranai.
Kiranai, wonderful. My next word is Tobimas. Tobimas. And here I would like to call. Oh wow, मैंने लास्ट सेमेस्टर लास्ट क्लास में आई थिंक 8-10 बच्चों को ही पढ़ाया था. बाकी पूरी क्लास लॉग्ड इन करके गायब है. ठीक है, कुणाल जायसवाल प्लीज.
You asked for Tobimas, right?
Tobimas, yes.
Tobanai.
Tobanai, which group 1. ठीक है, thank you so much. Next verb is okimas. 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 Okay, Sam.
Ma'am,
Hold on. Who is this? Who is this? It's not
Samir, ma'am.
Samir. Samir, I didn't. Did I call your name?
Ma'am, you said
Nuna?
Sam, so I assumed.
No, Sam Daniel. I do have Sam.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
I didn't know that your nickname is Sam itself. Is it?
It is. I'm sorry. I got confused.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Samir, just wait for a moment. ठीक है? Yes, Sam. Can I have your answer once again?
Ukanai.
Ukanai. ठीक है? Okay. Samir, would you like to add something to it?
No, ma'am. It was fine.
Can
It's
I,
fine?
ma'am? Summer.
Okay.
It's actually group 2 verb, and it will be Okinai because it's
Yes.
Okiru form.
Yes, it's group 2 verb exception. It's okinai. ओकी आपको मैंने ये बताया भी है ते फॉर्म में कि ओकी मास के ते फॉर्म इज ओकी कम्स इन ग्रुप 2, ओकी मास, ओकी ते, ओकी नाई. ठीक है? ओके, now my next two is for dictionary form of verbs, and let me get to know the dictionary form of kimas. Kimas, Anu. अनु, बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. किमास. शिवांग.
Ma'am, it will be Kuru, group 3.
शिमास. शिमास, शिवांग.
Ma'am, Shima Suru.
Suru. ठीक है, thank you. My next verb is for Hansika Jain. The verb is kaimas. Dictionary form. Ma'am, kairimas? Kaimas.
Ma'am, kaimas will be cow.
Cow. Okay. Wonderful, wonderful. Next is for not Ishani. Next is for Almeda. Almeda, your verb is aimas.
Ma'am, what?
Aimas.
Ma'am, it will be OW, group 1 word.
One.
Yes,
What would be the nai form of aimas?
ma'am, it will be awanai.
Why so?
Ma'am, because it A is a single sound, and it like when we remove the mask, when we remove the I, there is only A. So because of that, we add va with it.
Okay. Did I give you this explanation that if you remove I, though you will be left over with A only?
Yes, ma'am. Like you said, ki in group 1 verbs, you have to remove mass, and then when there is sui mass, kai mass, and I mass, will, like when you remove the I, you are only a single syllable is left, so you have to add va with it.
Are you sure I said that?
Yes, ma'am.
As much I remember, because it's been 13-14 years I'm teaching this topic, and as much I remember, Almeida, I must have said that when we have two sounds back to back, in that condition we use when we remove I from there, and that I will be replaced by WA.
Okay, ma'am. So when we have two sounds back to back, we will change it.
Keep this thing in your mind, okay? Chalo. Guys, now I'm going to share. Is it the content is visible to us?
No ma'am, screen shared नहीं है
Oh, ma'am.
नहीं, स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं, कंटेंट विजिबल है, मतलब आपके जो कंटेंट हमें तैयार करना था मूक के लिए, इज इट विजिबल टू यू गाइस और नॉट?
No ma'am, that
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, it's in my courses.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
इट इज विजिबल. ठीक है, so अगली क्लास से I'm not going to give this explanation. अगली क्लास से I'm going to take your doubts only as the content is visible to you all. आज की क्लास क्योंकि है तो मैं आज की क्लास में आपको ब्रीफ कर देती हूँ. So just allow me a moment. Let me share the screen with you. Just a moment, please. All right, so if you can see on your screen, Mishan, is my screen visible?
Yes ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much. So my first sentence is for like bunke. We are having 3 important pattern and तीनों के तीनों पैटर्न बेहद इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. बहुत ध्यान से इनको नोट करना है क्योंकि कॉन्वर्सेशनल मैनर में लाइक स्पोकन में एंड रिटन में दोनों में ही ये बहुत ज्यादा यूज होते हैं. ठीक है. Now I'm starting up with Naide Kudasai. As I give you the introduction of Naide Kudasai, I told you that, when I give you the introduction of Naide Kudasai, I told you that it's a request in negative form. Please do not do this. Okay. So semester 4 mein we did Te Kudasai, and semester 5 mein we are going to do Naide Kudasai. Please don't do this. Okay. So Koko de Shashin O. Koko de Shashin O. Tora nai de kudasai. Shashin o torimas. It comes all together to take the photograph. Photograph lena, photograph click karna. Shashin o tora nai de kudasai. Please do not click the photograph here. Koko de, place of action. De particle lag raha hai place of action ke liye. So please do not take the photograph here. Next is for Okay, just a moment. Let me call people one by one here. I want you to speak out. Akash Tanwar. Akash, are you with us? Akash, are you with us? No. Samir, please read the second one for me.
Sure, ma'am. Passporto misa na kereba narimasen.
Once again.
Passporto mise na kereba narimasen.
It's mise na kereba narimasen. Now please note down two important verbs in your notebook. Mimas and misemas. Mimas and misemas. ये दोनों ही verb बहुत important हैं. Comes in the same family. Mimas is to see something, to see, to watch, देखना. Misemas is to show, दिखाना. If I'm asking, अभी आप लोग अपना स्क्रीन जो है वो मीमास कर रहे हैं. You are able to see the screen. आपको देख रहे हैं. ठीक है, आपको यहाँ देखना, यहाँ देखिए, यहाँ देखना, यहाँ देखिए. It's all your wish. That is mimas. But if I'm asking you guys, please look at here, guys. Please concentrate over here. Look at here. That is misemas. I'm showing something to you. ठीक है. So passporto o mise na kereba narimasen. Now this narimasen give you this glance of कि this is something negative, not to do something वाला portion आता है. ठीक है, नेगेटिव की बात हो रही है. बट दिस ना केरेबा नारीमा सेन, आपको इसको अप्लाई कैसे करना है बताऊंगी. अभी चेंज कैसे करना है आपको बताऊंगी. अभी सुन लीजिए कि इसका यूज क्या है. ना केरेबा नारीमा सेन वी यूज फॉर कंपल्शन फॉर्म, दैट यू हैव टू डू दिस. यू डोंट हैव चॉइस, करना है. ठीक है, टुमारो इज आवर एग्जाम, यू हैव टू स्टडी. इट्स माय क्लास, आफ्टर 1 hour आई विल टेक द क्लास एंड यू हैव टू अटेंड इट. ठीक है, दैट इज ना केरेबा नारीमासेन. ठीक है, अब इसको अप्लाई कैसे करना है. चेंज द वर्ब टू नाई फॉर्म, एनी रैंडम वर्ब इन नाई फॉर्म. उसमें से आई को रिमूव कर दीजिए एंड ऐड केरेबा नारीमासेन. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. पासपोर्टो ओ मिसे ना केरेबा नारीमासेन. सो मिसे नाई में से मैंने यहां से आई रिमूव कर दिया है. व्हाट एम आई लेफ्ट ओवर विद. मिसे ना केरेबा नारीमासेन, कंपल्शन फॉर्म. ठीक है, इसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे. नॉट येट. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट इज Shayan. प्लीज रीड द थर्ड वन फॉर मी.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, repoto va dasanakute mo ides. Repoto va dasanakute mo ides.
Repoto wa dasana kutemu ides means dashimas is to give, to submit. ठीक है, सो रिपोर्टो व दासाना कुतेमो ना कुतेमो ईदिस नॉन कंपल्शन फॉर्म. ठीक है, मैंने आपसे कहा कि गाइस 1 घंटे बाद मैं आपकी एक्स्ट्रा क्लास लूंगी. फॉर एग्जांपल मैं ले नहीं रही हूँ, बता रही हूँ. ठीक है, सो 1 घंटे बाद मैं आपकी एक्स्ट्रा क्लास लूंगी एंड दैट यू हैव टू अटेंड दैट क्लास. दैट इज ना केरेबा नारीमासेन. यू हैव टू अटेंड द क्लास. And if I am saying that it's fine if you attend it, it's just a doubt clearing session. If you want, you can attend. If you don't want, you cannot attend. So that is na kutemo ides, non compulsion. करोगे तो भी ठीक है, नहीं करोगे तो भी ठीक है. That is na kutemo ides. Reporto wa dasa na kutemo ides. It's fine if you don't submit the report. ठीक है. Now let's go for next one. And for next, I would like to call here. तो आधी चिंता है ही नहीं. 153 स्टूडेंट प्रेजेंट हैं, पर सिर्फ लॉगिन करके चले गए हैं. पता नहीं कहाँ हैं सबके सब. अंतरा, रीड द नेक्स्ट वन फॉर मी प्लीज.
Yes, ma'am. Soku ni kuruma o tomenai de kudasai.
Sumimasen. Kuruma o tomenai. Tomemas we use for to stop or to park the car. Soko ni kuruma o tomenai de kudasai. Please do not stop or please do not park your car here. Nai de kudasai. आप प्लीज यहाँ पे अपनी गाड़ी पार्क या गाड़ी को स्टॉप मत कीजिए. Sumimasen. Excuse me for that. Anu, third one please. Sorry, second one.
Yes, ma'am. Sensai o sake o nonte mo desu ka? Ie.
ये आगे. ओके, अनु इज गॉन. अनु का कुछ नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. अपूर्व, कुड यू प्लीज कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस बेटा. अपूर्व गौर. अपूर्व, अनुराग सिंह,
Yes, ma'am.
could you please read the sentence once again, the second one?
Sensei o sake o nonde moi desu ka?
आगे
आगे मैम ये नीची नोमेनाई दे कुदासाई हाई वकारिमाशिता.
San nichi nomanai de kudasai. Hai wakarimashita.
हाई वकारिमाशिता. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you so much, Anurag. Okay, sensei. यहाँ पर जो sensei है, we are not talking about teacher here. ठीक है, टीचर से नहीं पूछ रहा है कोई कि मैम मैं या सर मैं 2-3 दिन मैं अल्कोहल या ड्रिंक कर सकता हूँ या मैं अल्कोहल ले सकता हूँ. हम टीचर से नहीं पढ़ेंगे, 2 झापड़ पढ़ेंगे. तो यहाँ सेंसेई ओसाके ओ नोंदे मो ई देसु का, यहाँ पर सेंसेई का मतलब है डॉक्टर. इफ यू रिमेंबर व्हेन आई इंट्रोड्यूस्ड यू दिस वर्ड, मैंने आपको 4 प्रोफेशंस बताए थे जिनके साथ सेंसेई यूज किया जाता है. So sensei usake o nonde mo ii desu ka? Sir, can I have can I take alcohol? Iie ni san nichi nomanai de kudasai. Please don't drink for at least 2-3 days. Please don't drink for 2-3 days. Hai wakarimashita. Yes, understood. Okay, simple conversation. Next is for next one. Gauri. Gauri.
Yes, ma'am.
Third one, please.
Konban nomini ikimasen ka? Sumimasen. Kyou wa Izuma to yakusoku ga arimasu.
Once again.
Sumimasen. Kyou wa Izuma to yakusoku ga arimasu.
Once again.
Sumimasen. Kyou wa Tsuma to yakusoku ga arimasu.
Perfect. आप क्या गलती कर रहे थे?
Ma'am, वो Tsuma को Izuma I was reading.
Once again. Third line, no problem. Third line.
Desu kara hayaku kaerana kereba narimasen.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, बच्चा. Konban nomini ikimasen का masen का form, if you remember, when we invite somebody for something, ये second semester में हमने पढ़ा था कि konban tonight. Can't we go for a drink, for some drink tonight? Can't we go for drink tonight? Sumimasen, kyou wa tsuma. Tsuma is the word we use for my wife. जैसे हम चिची और हाहा मैंने आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कराया था, वैसे ही tsuma is the word we use for my wife. तो yakusoku ga arimasu. Now yakusoku ये word मैंने आपको पहले इंट्रोड्यूस किया हुआ है, आज फिर बता रही हूँ. I'm sure, dead sure कि आप लोगों के दिमाग से निकल गया होगा. Yakusoku has 2 meaning. One is formal and one is informal. Formal में you can use it for appointment or commitment, appointment basically, ठीक है. और informally use किया जाता है promise के लिए, commitment के लिए, ठीक है. So kyou wa tsuma to yakusoku ga arimasu. I have some promises or I have some commitment to my wife. This kara, इसलिए, that is why, hayaku kaerana kereba narimasen. I have to go back or I have to return home early. ठीक है. कायराना केरेबा नारीमासेन, घर जल्दी जाना पड़ेगा, जल्दी वापस जाना पड़ेगा, कंपल्शन फॉर्म. ठीक है. सो कोनबान नोमिनी इकिमासेन का सुमिमासेन क्यों वा त्सुमा तो याकुसोकु ga arimasu. Desu kara hayaku kaerana kereba narimasen. Fourth one is for Alvin. Alvin?
I guess he is not here.
He's not here. Hera. Hera Fatima, fourth one, please.
Yes, ma'am. Hello?
Yes, bacha, go ahead.
Ma'am, fifth one, right?
Fourth one, bacha, fourth one.
Ripoto wa itsumade ni dase na kareba narimasen ka?
Once again.
Ripoto wa itsuma.
Take your time. Once again.
Ripoto wa itsumade ni dasa na kereba narimasen ka?
Perfect. Answer?
Kin yobi made ni dashite kudasai.
Thank you so much, Hira. Ripoto wa itsu. Itsu, when. Made, till. Till when I have to submit the report. Till when I have to submit the report? Kinyobi made ni dashite kudasai. Submit it by kinyobi. What do you say? What is kinyobi? Any guesses?
Friday.
Yesterday.
Ma'am, Friday.
Friday. Kinyobi we use for Friday. Okay. So kinyobi made ni dashite kudasai. Please submit it by Friday. Now fifth one is for Johnson, please. Johnson Kappa. Johnson is not around. Janvi.
Yes, ma'am.
So fifth one, bacha.
Kodomo mo okane o harawana kareba nari masin ka iye harawane wana kutte mo idis.
Kutte mo this one. Once again, Janvi. Take your time. Aram se dheere dheere.
Okay, ma'am. Kodomo mo okane o harawana kareba nari masin ka iye harawana kutte mo idis.
We don't have double T over here, no? Janvi, do we?
No, ma'am.
It's kutte.
Kutte.
It's not kutte. Okay. It's kutte. Okay. Thank you so much, Janvi. Kodomo is the word we use for kid. Okane is money. Any guesses what would be the word? Just raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Harawa na kereba jo verb hai. Isme, what do you say? What is the verb? Okay, let me see. There are 4 students. Those who want 5, 6. Kya baat hai? Okay. Yes. Oh wow. Urvashi.
Haraimas.
Okay. Abhigyan.
Do we have to give the English meaning or the Japanese verb?
The Japanese verb.
Oh, haraimasu.
Haraimas. Hansika.
Same, haraimas.
Haraimas. All right. So the verb is haraimas. Beautifully answered. All 3-4 students. Those who tried, I appreciate. At least they want to answer. And those who answered, really wonderful answer. Haraimas. Harawa. ठीक है. So va ने replace किया है I को. तो haraimas is the verb. Harawa na kereba narimasen ka. Is it compulsory that kids also make the payment? Iye harawa na kutemo ites. No, it's fine if they don't make the payment. ठीक है. Na kutemo ites. Non-compulsion. So here we are done with this topic of naide kudasai, na kereba narimasen, na kutemo ides. Now I'm going to give you a question and यहाँ पे सब कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा है. थोड़ा सा मेरे को एडजस्ट करने दीजिए एंड उस क्वेश्चन को मोंदाई क्वेश्चन में कवर करने जा रही हूँ अभी. मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग उसको आंसर करें क्लास में अभी. I'll give you 3 to 4 minutes for that. Just a moment. Here we have. So this is Mondai ka question number 3, where we are having 15 verbs and I want you to answer these 15 words. ठीक है. मैं रैंडमली किसी को भी बुला सकती हूँ. जिनके हैंड रेज्ड हैं वो भी हो सकते हैं, जिनके नहीं है वो भी हो सकते हैं. तो मर्जी आपकी है, आप आंसर दें या ना दें. ठीक है. So I'm giving you 3 to 4 minutes to attempt this question, Mondai wala. Go for it quickly, and once you're done with, please raise your hands.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Who is this?
Ma'am, Shayan.
Yeah, Shayan.
Ma'am, haraimas meaning was to make payment.
To make payment. To pay.
To pay. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, guys, this is really amazing that out of 167 students, only 5 students are willing to give answer. Seriously, no? Seems like I'm teaching us only 10-15 students in the class. And this is the whole semester 5 batch I'm having in one go today. Okay. Okay, so let's go for these questions, and I'm starting with Sakshi Singh. First one, Sakshi, first one, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ikanai.
Ikanai, wonderful. Pema, second one, please.
Nuganai.
Nuganai. Mitok.
Kaisanai.
Kaisanai, lovely. Then we have Khushbu, please.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
I am okay. If I'm audible right now, please
Yes,
give me
ma'am.
your answer.
Yes, you are. Ma'am,
Yes.
it's Motanai. Fourth is
Motanai.
Motanai.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Khushbu. Motanai. Next is Gatha.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, which one?
Next is Yobimas.
Ma'am, I think it's Yobanai.
You think or you want to answer?
Oh no, I know it's Yobanai.
It's Yobanai. Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much. Next is for Marmik Chauhan, please.
Which one?
Kairimas.
Sixth.
Yes, Marmik.
Hairanai.
Hairanai. Swadha. Thank you, Marmik. Swadha.
For Vasuremas, it's
No,
Vasurenai.
seventh one.
Ma'am, it's the same. Acha, sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, it will be Haranai.
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 Okay. Okay, Swadha, let's correct your answer. Let me check who could answer. Would like to try. Yes, Meher, seventh one once again.
Ma'am, it is Haravanai.
Haravanai. Okay. Swadha, we just did this verb haraimas. Two sounds, no? So haravanai.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Take it. Thank you so much, Swadha. Now next is Madhu. Madhu, next one, please.
Ma'am, it's Vasurenai.
Vasurenai. So Joy.
Ma'am, it will be Obevanai.
Why va?
Ma'am, because ma'am, O and E, ma'am, coming after one another, ma'am. Do
But we don't have I. So Joy, we don't have I.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, क्या होगा? उसका क्या होगा? ओबोए मास का सुजॉय?
Ma'am, obete nai.
No. Yes, Shivang.
Ma'am, for which one are you asking? Ninth one?
Ninth one.
Ma'am, oboe nai.
Oboe nai. Sujoy, it's group 2 verb. Oboe mas.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? E ending है ना? So oboe mas, oboe nai. जो WA वाला जो सीन है वो सिर्फ ग्रुप 1 जिसमें I होता है उसकी बात करते हैं हम. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, Sujoy and Shivang. Now let's go for another one. Would like to call Ishani Chatterjee, please. Ishani. Ishani. Karimas. Okay. Alvin.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, for Karimas is Karanai.
Karimas would be
Karanai.
Karinai.
Karinai.
Karinai. Group 2 exception. इसको note down कर लीजिए. यहाँ पे गलती होना understood था. Karinai. Alvin, you have to give me answer for Mimas as well. Because
Okay,
this verb you were not aware of. Na, Karimas is group 2 exception, guys. Please note it down. Karinai. Yes, Alvin, Mimas.
Yes, ma'am. Minai.
Minai. Thank you so much. Shashank Thakur, Shimas.
Ma'am, Shinai.
Shinai. Okay. Next is for Hera. Hera, 14th one, please.
Ma'am, I'm not sure about this, but Shinpa Shinai.
Perfect. Sure नहीं है कौन मैं कहती तो हूँ गलत भी आंसर करो कॉन्फिडेंटली करो मेरी क्लास में. Shinpai Shinai. ठीक है. Shinpai Shimas we use for to worry about something. परेशान होना.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Concerned होना. Shinpai Shinai, don't worry. Shinpai Shinai de kudasai. Okay. And the last one, Urvashi.
Konai.
Konai. Nihon e kimasu, Nihon e konai. So here we are done with this question. Now let's go for my next question where we have to make the changes with the given verb in nai form and add it to dekudasai. So koko wa kin en desu kara. Kin en is the word we use for non-smoking zone. ठीक है. Koko wa kin en desu kara tobacco o suwanai de kudasai. Please do not smoke here as this is the non-smoking zone. ठीक है. So यहाँ पर we are having few words. Abunai we use for dangerous. ठीक है. Let me complete this the sentence वाली vocabulary, then I'll come to this one. Abunai we use for dangerous. Shiryo we use for documents, notes. ठीक है. Taisetsu important. Taisetsu important. Zaruri. So kono shiryo wa taisetsu desu kara. Then you have to find out the word. Samui, I think we all know. Mado we use for window. Netsuga arimasu, ये हमने कई बार पहले किया हुआ है. Netsuga arimasu, netsu we use for fever. Ofuro is that bath or bathtub के लिए use किया जाता है. Ofuro. Ryo no seikatsu. Ryo is hostel, guest house. हॉस्टल के लिए यहाँ पे यूज हो रहा है. इस सेंटेंस पैटर्न में ये हॉस्टल के लिए यूज हो रहा है. सेकात्सु लाइफस्टाइल. ठीक है. सेकात्सु लाइफस्टाइल. उसके बाद आते हैं आकेमास ओपन. शिनपाई शिमास बता दिया है. इकिमास हम लोग को पता ही है पहले से. नाकुशिमास टू लूज, टू लॉस समथिंग, घूमना, लॉस्ट. हाइरिमास टू एंटर. हाइरिमास इज टू एंटर. ठीक है. So let's go for this question quickly and after completing please raise your hands once again. ये हमारा last question होगा आज का. First of all I request you to please lower down your hands everyone quickly so that I can see the raised hands for my next question. Thank you.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, are Shimpai and Shimas used all together always and its form?
हाँ. Shinpai shimas comes all together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, do all of these have to be negated or like only certain ones?
Sorry, Sameer, once again.
Ma'am, do all the verbs have to be in the negative form or only certain ones?
No, you have to make the you have to change the given verbs to nai de kudasai form.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
And ma'am, what was the meaning of nakushimasu?
Sorry,
Ma'am, what was the meaning of nakushimasu?
to lose something, to lost basically. Ghumna.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, so I can see 14 students are here with the answers. Same students जिन्होंने last time भी answer किया था. एक आध नए नाम है. ठीक है, you wish. 17 students now. I'm starting up with Ishita Sharma here. Yes, Ishita, first one, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, abunai desu kara sochira e ikanai de kudasai.
Bunai desu kara sochira e. Once again.
Sochira e ikanai de kudasai.
Ikanai de kudasai. Okay, perfect. Abunai desu kara sochira e ikanai de kudasai. Thank you so much, Ishita. Next one is for Meher Bhatnagar, please.
It is kono shiryo wa taisetsu desu kara nakusanai de kudasai.
Perfect. Konoshiryo wa taisetsu desu kara nakusanai de kudasai. Third one, Samui. Aniket Tripathi, please.
Samui desu kara made o akenai de kudasai.
Once again.
Samui desu kara mado o akenai de kudasai.
Wonderful. Samui desu kara mado o akenai de kudasai. Thank you so much, Aniket. Next is for Priyanka Das.
What?
Fourth one.
Arimasu kara ofuro ni airanai de kudasai.
Netsuga arimasu kara ofuro ni hairanai de kudasai. And fifth one is the simplest one. तो मैं इसको आंसर कर देती हूँ जल्दी से. Ryo no sekatsu wa tanoshi desu kara shinpai shinai de kudasai. ठीक है, Ryo no sekatsu wa tanoshi desu kara shinpai shinai de kudasai. Next class में we are going to meet for rest of the Mondai questions. ठीक है, I request you to please go through with these questions. वैसे आप लोगों को सारा कंटेंट जो है PDF फॉर्म और हर तरीके से आपको ऑलरेडी दिया जा चुका है, बट स्टिल मैं PDF के जो चैप्टर की PDF है वो आपके MS Team फाइल सेक्शन पे अपलोड कर दूंगी ताकि आप लोगों को स्पेसिफिकली बुक का मटेरियल मिले. आपको क्वेश्चंस करने हैं तो क्वेश्चंस करने के लिए PDF का चैप्टर का PDF होना बहुत मैंडेटरी है. So I'll share it in the file section. Till the time, we'll see you all next Saturday once again. And I have a request, guys. प्लीज एक बार जो भी फॉर्म्स पढ़ा रही हूँ या जो भी क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करवा रही हूँ उनको एक बार प्लीज गो थ्रू जरूर कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है? सो सी यू ऑल. प्रियांशु कुमार, प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Ma'am, am I audible?
1 second beta. Yes, who is this?
Ma'am, this is Manasha.
हाँ जी बताएं.
What is the case of attendance? Like it is showing not applicable in our Amazon. So will we get marked or not?
No. We will get marked. Actually, there are few students still joining the batch. Registration उनका late हुआ पड़ा था, इसलिए मैं रुकी हुई थी. So by today evening or tomorrow, your attendance will be uploaded. Nothing to worry about. ठीक है?
Thank you.
You're welcome, beta. And guys, one more thing I would like to share with you all.